Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of preventing someone from sending videos in a Telegram group chat. If you're an admin and you want to restrict certain members from sharing videos, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Look for the Telegram icon either on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Now, navigate to the group chat where you wish to prevent video sharing. Please note that this method only works if you are an admin and the person you want to restrict is not muted. Step 3. Once you're inside the group chat, tap on the group's name located at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to the group settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the options until you find the Members section. Tap on it to view the list of group members. Step 5. To prevent a specific member from sending videos, tap and hold on their name. A menu will appear. Select User's Permissions. Step 6. Inside the User's Permissions menu, you'll see various options related to media. Tap on the arrow next to Media to expand the options, and then disable the Videos option. By following these steps, you can effectively restrict a member from sending videos in your Telegram group chat, promoting a more text-based and focused communication within the group. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.